Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix disk management not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If disk management is causing you trouble in Windows 11, we have a straightforward solution for you. First, let us ensure that essential services are running correctly. Open your Windows search bar and type Services. Navigate to the Services application. Once it opens, scroll down the list until you find Virtual Disk Service. Right-click on this service and select the Start option. After ensuring Virtual Disk Service is running, locate Volume Shadow Copy in the same list. Right-click on Volume Shadow Copy and again select Start. With these services confirmed as active, we can proceed to the next step. Right-click on the Start button on your taskbar and choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab. Here, select Check for Updates or download and install updates if that option is available to you. This can resolve issues related to outdated system files. Our final troubleshooting step involves running a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrative Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.